and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for clicking to this video. I promise I am not here to waste your time, but I am here to give you the tips that you need for you to look and feel beautiful. So I thought to myself, this is a perfect time for me to share my wash day routine. I haven't been posting a lot of hair content in a long time. I've been doing skin one way. So I was like, you know what? It's a perfect time for me to post my wash day routine. I am about to wash my hair. I've had these braids for like 4 weeks. I normally don't keep my braids longer than 4 weeks because I'm avoiding build-up. Build-up has a way of breaking your hair. So I was like, this is the perfect time for me to shoot this video. So without wasting any further time, let me take off this hair so we can begin this video. Done undoing my hair, and I'm about to prep my hair so that I can go wash it. It took me about 2 hours to remove the braids, and I have a lot of buildup. Like, gosh, I always make sure that I don't keep my braids for long so that I don't have buildup on my hair, but I do. But it's fine, we will fix that. So I plait my hair out when I'm washing them. This is because I don't want my hair to coil up and form knots when I'm washing them. Fussy hair super coils up when you apply water to it. So when it coils up, it literally it tangles in each other when coiling up, and then it forms knots, and then it breaks when you're like detangling and styling your hair. It breaks. So I just discovered that washing my hair when it's plaited out, it saves me like a lot of hair breakage. My hair doesn't break as much. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just plait like loose braids, about like 6 loose braids. If your hair is longer, you can make it like 4 if you want, but I'm just gonna plait 6 loose braids. So now I'm done plaiting them out. As I said, guys, if you're gonna plait them out, make sure that they are not too tight. You wanna make them loose so that water and shampoo can be able to penetrate and clean your hair. So don't make them tight. So this is the product I will be using. It's a shampoo by Palmer's. It's Palmer's coconut oil formula. It is a conditioning shampoo, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1, a shampoo and a conditioner. Yeah, I love this. It smells amazing. It makes my hair soft, easy manageable. Like, it nourishes it, you guys. It has vitamin E oil inside as well. I'll leave the description of this product down below so that you know where to buy it. But I buy it at Dischem. You can find it at Clicks or just any supermarket. It's easily available. I'm also going to be using this Dark&Lovely Aloe hair treatment. It's my second time using this product. It is a 3-in-1. It is a treatment, a rinse off, and a leave-in conditioner. I wouldn't recommend that you use it as a leave-in. I love it as a treatment or a rinse off. I don't even understand why would you have one product that you have to wash off and still leave on. It doesn't really make sense. So I'm going to be using these products, both of them. Yeah, let's go wash our hair. So I just come back from washing my hair. They're still in Amakota. So, and I've just like towel dried them. So now I'm going to open each magota. Then I'm gonna apply this treatment, and yeah, just leave it on for like 30 minutes. I'm gonna put on this head cap to trap the heat inside, and then after 30 minutes I'm gonna wash it off. done putting on the treatments, Dark&Lovely treatment. This is my total hair loss. I was putting it here. Wait. This is the amount of hair that fell off from washing and just applying this leave-in conditioner. Can you collect it? With this strategy, I am not gonna lie, this is like the total breakage, hair breakage. It's a lot, like it's not a lot, but I just hate seeing breakage. No matter how little it is, I just hate seeing breakage, but it's inevitable. You cannot prevent your hair from breaking. And I experience a lot of breakage if I'm gonna wash my hair unplaited. I experience a lot. Like I'll see it falling off while I'm washing it in the shower and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is just not nice to see. So I'm just gonna cover up with my and then I am going to let this sit in for about 30 minutes while I go through my chores, and then I'm gonna come back when my hair is washed so that I can moisturize and show y'all the final product. So guys, this is obviously the next day. So what I did off camera is I rinsed off the conditioner and then I let my hair dry. So it took me like almost like 5 hours to get my hair like dry, which was at night by then, so I couldn't shoot. So what I did off camera was I opened each amakota and then I applied moisturizer and oils in my hair. I will just show you the products that I normally use for my hair. I use these specific products. These two. This is a growth oil and this is a hair food. So it is from Reflections Style Innovation. I get them at Dischem. I'll leave also the description of these products down below so that you know and you purchase them. I love them very much, especially this hair rescue oil. It is amazing. It is, I don't know how to say this word, you guys, but I'm gonna try. It's Abyssinian and Amarula oil. It also comes with the hair food as well. Also the Abyssinian and Amarula oil. It's a nourishing hair food. So I applied both of these on my hair. So now I'm just gonna open my hair so you can see that it is clean and beautiful. So I am done opening my hair and it is looking clean. If you are worried that if you wash your hair plaited, your hair doesn't become clean, it is very much clean and there's no breakage, guys. Like, not at all. Like, I didn't experience breakage at all. It's only that little breakage that you saw, that I showed you, and that is it. So yeah, I am just gonna style them. I'm just gonna put them in like a high puff and then yeah, that's it. Basically, this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. This is how my hair looks after I've washed it and used these products to moisturize them. This is how my hair looks. Final product. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for the support. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for making it till the end of this video. Hopefully, you will also wash your hair how I wash my hair. Let's help my hair not break. So take my tips because I wouldn't mislead you. Bye.